Every service call is a data point, but most shops close the ticket, collect payment, and move on. The equipment age, the repair pattern, the efficiency gap, that information just sits there. We built something to fix that. When a tech writes up a service call, they're focused on the repair. They fix the problem, they leave. But inside that ticket is a story. A 15-year-old unit that's been serviced 3 times in 2 years, a pressure reading that's 20% off spec, a system that's working, but barely. Those are quotes waiting to happen, and nobody's flagging them. After every ticket closes, an AI agent reads it. It checks equipment age against install date in the CRM. It looks at service frequency. It reads the text notes for keywords: dirty coil, low refrigerant, aging capacitor, original equipment. When it finds a pattern worth acting on, it generates a draft quote recommendation, the equipment involved, the reason for the flag, and a suggested follow-up window. No phone call needed, no manager review required. The list just builds. Each morning, the daily report includes a flagged upsell queue, 5 or 6 items ranked by likelihood. The office can decide which ones to action, call the customer, send an estimate, or hold. We're not automating the close. We're making sure nothing gets missed. First 2 weeks running, 11 flags. 3 turned into estimates, 1 turned into a replacement job. That's 1 job out of nothing, out of a ticket that would have sat in the closed pile and never been looked at again. The point isn't that AI sells. It doesn't. It just reads. And when you have 1,000 closed tickets and 4 people in the office, having something read every one of them changes the math. Day 35. AI in the shop.